Colorado is one of the most beautiful places in the United States to call home. Its booming and diverse economy also attracts top students and professionals from across the country. Whether you love the outdoors, want to explore the mountains, or enjoy cultural activities, Colorado can offer it all. If you're thinking about making Colorado your new home, we recommend considering these places. Number 10. Boulder. Known as the gateway to the Rocky Mountains, Boulder is one of the best places to live in Colorado. Boulder has been named as the happiest place in the U.S. with its year-round outdoor activities, talented chefs, breweries, and vibrant downtown. With a population that strongly supports environmental protections, Boulder is considered one of the best cities for liberals. Living in Boulder is like living in a small, safe, clean, beautiful city surrounded by tons of access to nature. Residents here enjoy pristine natural surroundings, which include mountain streams and lush forest areas that provide opportunities to hike, fish, and bike. The cool mountain breezes of the foothills keep the city from ever getting too hot in the summer, and winter weather doesn't start until late. Number 9. Denver. Denver's location at the base of the Rocky Mountains provides a gateway to a slew of outdoor pursuits, although it is probably best known for its devout ski and snowboard enthusiasts. Retiring in Denver allows you to have the best of all possible worlds, a city with cool culture surrounded by some of the most amazing scenery in the world. The job market in Denver is especially strong, with an unemployment rate of just over 3%. Numerous industries and sectors have grown within the city, including biotech, healthcare, finance, and aerospace. Number 8. Colorado Springs. If you like city life, but also enjoy the great outdoors, Colorado Springs may be the place for you. The city is a great place to live for professionals, retirees, and families, thanks to its reasonably priced neighborhoods, low cost of living, and beautiful outdoor parks. It is also known for its robust high-tech and sports industries. The overall cost of living in Colorado Springs is slightly more expensive compared with the national average, but residents spend slightly less than the average American for groceries, utilities, and transportation. Number 7. Grand Junction. The largest city in western Colorado, Grand Junction lies along the Colorado River and has become a major mountain biking destination for adventurers throughout Colorado and its surrounding states. Grand Junction is a small but rapidly growing city on the western desert slopes of the Rockies. It offers a relatively affordable place to live, all the amenities of a mid-sized city, and fabulous views. The cost of living is just 1% higher than the national average, and groceries, housing, utilities, and transportation all hover around the national averages. Number 6. Pueblo. Pueblo is an incredibly affordable city for retirees to call home. If you're looking for a particularly affordable place to live, you'll find plenty of well-priced homes in Pueblo. The median home value in Pueblo is almost $120,000, lower than the national median home value. Residents of this Colorado city enjoy an exceptionally low cost of living while also benefiting from convenient amenities, beautiful weather, and an abundance of recreational opportunities. Number 5. Castle Rock. Located between Colorado Springs and Denver, Castle Rock is one of the fastest-growing cities in the nation. The city is known for its top-notch shopping and dining, as well as for its many outdoor recreational opportunities and beautiful parks. With 20 parks and 75 miles of trails, families can take advantage of nature and stay active year-round. Families move to the area for its excellent schools, low home prices, safe neighborhoods, and great quality of life. Castle Rock is an ideal place for those who want to raise a family outside the city and enjoy all that scenic Colorado has to offer. Number 4. Durango. Durango is proud of its diverse culture with a broad spectrum of lifestyles. People are drawn to Durango from all over the country. At 6,500 feet, the winters are milder and summers warmer than higher elevation towns. Job opportunities are as plentiful as outdoor recreation here. Durango is home to massively successful tech startups. Fort Lewis College is minutes from downtown, and nationally rated hospitals and medical services are readily available, providing active Durango residents with the key ingredients for a solid home base. Number 3. Louisville. Nestled right in the center of the Denver-Boulder corridor, Louisville boasts a low unemployment rate of 3%, thanks largely to jobs in healthcare, tech, aerospace, and clean energy. Public schools are highly rated, parks are plentiful, and entertainment options are first-rate. Good education and employment opportunities make this little town very attractive for all young couples, and it is definitely worth considering when thinking of the ideal place to start a family. Number 2. Fort Collins. If your idea of a perfect place to live is surrounded by nature, culture, and history, Fort Collins is a great place to live. Nature lovers can enjoy miles of biking, hiking, and kayaking. Culture lovers have the town's historic buildings, art galleries, live music venues, and events. Located north of Denver, Fort Collins is home to Colorado State University, several tech companies, and plenty of student amenities. High-tech companies are able to draw talented and well-educated workers thanks to the high quality of life Fort Collins offers. While many students choose to rent, home prices in Fort Collins are also much cheaper than Denver or Boulder. Number 1. Aurora. This fast-growing Denver suburb is one of the most popular places to live in Colorado. Newcomers will find a particularly diverse population, as well as dozens of parks and outdoor recreational spaces. Families and professionals working in the area have a lot of safe and beautiful neighborhoods to settle down in. Though it's getting more challenging every day to buy a home, Aurora is one place in the Denver area where it's still possible. If you're looking for a job, Aurora has tons of public and private employers located within its boundaries, such as the University of Colorado Hospital and Medical Campus, Children's Hospital, Colorado. Thanks for watching the video, and see you next time.